Good evening. It's March 9th and it is snowing outside, although it should be spring almost. About 2 weeks or so. Tonight another live session, Office add-in coding, and we are going to have a look at the Blazor add-in to see if the custom functions still work. Last week it wasn't really working because didn't get the debugger going. I asked some feedback on the Office team and got some answers there, so hopefully we can get some better results than last week. It's always a challenge with Office add-ins. Let's go to the code window. Now let's start the show first. Welcome back. Let's go to the code window now. Let me open my mail on the other box and search for the mail item. My mic is a little bit in the way. Okay, let's start Fish Studio here. Let's go into the command window first. Let's update the repo. Maybe it's even better if we just copy the repo, clone the repo. Go to the samples repo, Microsoft Office. Get the clone command. Let's get a fresh thingy there. Already got it open here. See, clone that. No, that's not what I wanted. Just wanted to create a subfolder there. Directory 2023 03 09. CD 2023 03 09. Now go into. Why is this so slow? Come on. Copy. Paste. Run it. We did update the GitHub Git for Windows software last week, so that should be good. Fish Studio's updated. I checked that before the stream. While we are waiting for this, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell on the YouTube Soft as is Software channel. youtube.com/soft-as-in-software. Let's go to CD Office add-ins, CD samples. Hold on, are connecting your channels. Why is my restream not connecting? Oh, something's happening. System is messing up my windows here. CD samples. So I move this down to make the bottom a little bit more readable. CD Blazor. Oh. CD Excel. Open the solution. So what we did see here last time when we did run F5, it didn't open the browser as we used to see that in previous installs. Let's just hit the F5 here and see what happens. This just opens Excel with the task pane automatically loaded. I wonder if it gets quick enough. Hello world, that's working. So the add-in is working. But we did not get the browser window right now. So the browser window, to activate that, should be available in a different level. Don't save. By right-clicking the web project, properties, then debug, compile and save, yeah. Debugging. Should be an option here somewhere. Debug general. Oh, open the profiles. Where did they put these? Apparently that has changed. Come on. Oh, we now the global users again. Should be here. Oh, here. There it is. Open the debug launch profiles. Excel Blazor add-in. Indicates that the web browser should automatically launch when debugging the project. So I never changed this. It's a reset property to the default value. What's the default value? Disabled. But I want to have this enabled. What's enable native code debugging? Enable debugging for managed and native code together, also known as mixed mode debugging. That sounds interesting. Let's try that. Is there no save option? So if I open this again, it's then saved. Yeah. Now let's run F5 again. Let's see if we get the browser back. Oh. Now we do get the browser back. Got it. Why do we get an error? But it does. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Let's try this again. Select solution, F5. There's the browser. Loading. Are we waiting on a breakpoint? No, we're not. What's this? We have some loading issues. I guess it looks like a loop. Not sure what happened there. This is active. This one is not active. There it is. Now let's see. We go in here. Let's collapse this and go to the Blazor add-in pages. Go to the index, then we have the C# item. Let's put a breakpoint somewhere over here. That is enabling. But can we also do the same in here? That's also enabled. So let's reload this. Can we do that? It's not breaking, I think. Oh, this is the button. We press the button. The other one, that's this one, the on after render. Yeah, that terminates it. So run F5 again. See, it is killed, so the document recovery kicks in. now it breaks on, is this C#? Yeah. F5. But that's from this one, I guess. What's this big thing there to set timeout? Office JavaScript is not fully loaded. You must call Office on ready as part of it. Loading sequence on, or set the Office initialize function. If your app has this functionality, try reloading this page. Yeah, I think it's reloading. So if I reload this one, it breaks again. Namespace server provider. I think that's an internal call, that's not serviced, I think, somehow. Namespace server provider. Guess that's part of .NET. Let's continue running this. 5. .NET debugger said debugger property was not found. Interesting. Ah, this is not the preview, is it? No, this is the current version. Let's hit the button on Excel. Let's see where it breaks. Oh. Ah, that terminates again. That's annoying. Let's see. So that was the one thing. Running F5 also loads the add-on in startup. That's apparently what we've seen before. Server browser no longer starts separately. That's the now fixed by the profile setting. The server is started, but it's either in command window. Yeah, that's what I see. It's in the terminal, but it's not in the terminal now because I opened the browser. Let's run this again. F5. I don't want the recovery to kick in each time. Not sure why that's happening. We don't want to, don't show the backstage when opening a saving keyboard shortcut, blah blah blah. Let's for now disable this save thingy there. This is not working. Oh, it's maybe in break mode. What? Oh, why do I have two keys available? Dock that in there, but it's indeed it's 5ing, and that's caused it to time out here, I guess. This breaks it in JavaScript. That's good. But this one is not breaking. It's the other one that's breaking. But it should be fixed in preview 17.6. What is it? Let's go to GitHub. Do we still have that? Issues. Yeah, this is what we are looking at today. But there's also the debug option. I think that's closed already. There. We merged the pull request from today's that adds a fix to this sample. Make sure you pick that up in your own project code. However, Visual Studio 2022 also needs a fix rolled out. Adding change to make possible to debug. It's this one. David Chesson, can you approve and merge this change? Self-requested review. Merge commit, this is the merge. Oh. There you have it. This is changed, at least. Launch browser. The launch browser is changed. Ah, good. That explains it. And then for this to work, we need to wait for 17 dot something 16. Come on. Where is it? 17.6 preview 2. We also have the other window. Let's see if that's 17.16.2. open without code. 17.6, but it's not 6.2, I guess. Preview 1. Yeah, we are waiting for preview 2 to get this in. But now I want to go back to the other one. So this explains this one. Let's open it in a new window. This explains why we lost the browser to launch, because that's changed. But now I also want to know why it's automatically loading the task pane. So this part is something that we cannot check yet. Let's also open my notes here. That's this fix. Where is it? Copy. So until we have version 17.6, preview 2, copy. Copy this link as well. Don't open task pane. OfficeJS on debug. I think that has something to do with the lifespan of the add-in, because you're triggering the task pane to kick in. That's an old video from me. You can find it on my YouTube channel. But it's outdated, so I recommend not going into this one. Okay, well, we have the debugger now fixed. Let's get back into where we left off with the customization. Close this as well. CD 2023 0223. Samples, see the samples. Shared runtime scenario. Oh, that's the other one. This was the side loading thing. Going to Excel Blazor add-in. This one has a command section. So in order to get in here, let's go into properties again. No, web project. This one. Debug, general, launch profile. Launch browser is now enabled. I also want to enable native code debugging, just for kicks. Now let's run this. See if we can see something there. In this case, we don't have the commands group. We don't have the task pane automatically available because there's no button there. Let's see if we can put a breakpoint in there somewhere. Shared runtime is true. Launch hidden action. It's interesting to see all this telemetry stuff going through. But let's see if we can put a break in here somewhere on the command. Oh, there's no command in here. There's a function there. That's not triggering the breakpoint because that's probably triggering it in this one. Inspect. Console. Source there, functions there. Now we have some breakpoints in here. Question is, does it break when we do click this button again? It's not breaking. Do we get any output here? Doesn't look like it. Close this, then it will probably terminate, yes. Maybe we did get the output in here. Let's run it again. Basically, the tool services, design service, blah blah blah. On JavaScript function file deprecated. Interesting. Let's clear this. Inspect. Sources, there we are. Where does this come from? Do something. That's not running, so that's a different add-in. Break, but did it do anything in here? No. So it doesn't respond here either. Let's close this again. Let's try to find the other one. So, Blazor add-in solution. It has to do something, but I don't think it will break in here. Let's also have a look at the pages there. The breakpoint somewhere in here. There. And put the breakpoint in there as well. That's what we did already. Now, let's click the Blazor file thingy there. Properties. Debug. General open launch profile. Launch browser. Let's keep that unchecked. See what's happening. Changing startup mode to multiple. Start, yes. And the dependencies, the Blazor add-in, side loaders depending on the Blazor add-in, that's good. Okay, let's kick in F5. Oh. Now we do get a browser there. It's breaking on first render of the JavaScript file, of the C# file. I think the other one is old. We need to clear the cache probably. Now the question is, if we click this one, is there something happening? Not here. Oh, this one is not available there. Unbound breakpoint. Now the question is it bound to this one? Sources, commands, let's get a breakpoint on there. That's not attached now. And if I close this one, it will not terminate, that's good. It's no longer breaking because it's hitting the first time. Let's see if we can attach the browser to this. Debug. Attach the process. Select the window. Let's open this and then do something like this. Select window. This one. That's this one. Restore pages. That's that. Okay. That did not work, I think. Something's happening here, but also don't see the console log anywhere. There's 3 connections. Button do something. That's the action ID. Is there an example somewhere here? No. That's the handler. Maybe we need to add this as well. Did we have this in place? Launch event, let's check that. Let's stop the thingy there. Don't save. Go to the manifest. extension points. There's the action, show task pane, that's the other one. Edit the manifest, change the URL, default value, high resolution, the app domain, form settings. Insert your runtime stack, insert the launch events and extension points. Runtime. We don't have a runtime. Let's have a look at the other one. CD samples, CD there. Shared runtime. Go to dot. Yes, I trust the author in the folder. Never mind. Let's see here. There's the runtime thing. Let's see button open task pane item. Close task pane. Button open task pane, execute function. Do we have that? do something group. That's the control execute function. Button do something. That's the one. And this is the one to open the task pane. That's the root of the folder, function file. That's used in there. So that should find this one. But we don't see the console logging anything. What if we just do something like the hello world insert thingy? Let's see if this works. Let's F5 this. That's the first one. We need to clear up the shared thingy there. Let's do that first. Options. Trust Center, catalogs. That's going to this one. Office App Manifest. Let's see if that's still active. I don't think so. Live coding VS22 Office App Manifest. That's this location. I want to go to that folder, but where is that option in Windows 11? Come on. Yeah. I want to know where that is. There it is, I guess. That's the one. Why is this one not syncing? Always show availability status, expand to open folder. That's the one that we need here. Okay. There it is. So this is 2023. And we loaded the debugger file there. This is the solution. Let's remove that. These sharing, advanced sharing, don't. Okay. Yeah, that's this one. Close this. Don't save. Yes, I want to continue. Close. Local app data. Microsoft. Office 16. Clear cache there. Okay. Now let's run this again. Let's see if we get the only option there. Now let's see if we can inspect on this one maybe. That's not working. Because it needs, for some reason, it needs an admin function. Very annoying. So let's change this back then. Because we now know that that's happening. Well, never mind. Let's just run it. Oh, don't do that. Stop it. Stop it. Close this. That's today. We need to go to the one from previous week. 2023. Office. CD samples. CD Blazor something. CD Excel something. Excel solution. Oh, darn it. Need to run it as an admin. Copy. F5 again. Yeah, F5. Now we can inspect this, and let's see. Go to sources. Nothing is happening here. I don't think it's getting into this thing there. We also don't get any error things. That's breaking, so that's cold. So I think this one is, the other one is just not visible at all to the system. I think something's going wrong there. Let's check that a little bit. Custom functions. This one has the commands in there. There's the actions thingy. So let's pick one, insert data. this insert data thingy, and that should be visible on the ribbon. Well, this is the thing that's run. So there's nothing special on the function there. That's this one. That looks the same as what we have in here. Function, button, do something, event. Lower, upper. And do something, but the console should already trigger. Let's do this. Stop the adding there. Also check the ribbon item in here. That's the manifest. In this case, they specifically do something with the localhost entry. There's the requirements. Let's have a look at that in here. App domains. If you plan to submit this add-in to Office Store, uncomment the support URL. Domains will be allowed when navigating. For example, you use the show task pane and then have a href link. Navigation will only be allowed if that's in the same domain. Then we have hosts. There's hosts. A little bit different. This one is saying each host can have a different set of commands. Hosts, requirements. Does this have a shared runtime? Don't think so. But does it need a shared runtime? Shared runtime is only supported in some Office applications. Shared runtime requirement set. You can configure the add-in to run all of its code in a single shared runtime. This enables better coordination across your add-in and access DOM and cores for all parts. create add-in project, configure a manifest. Yet runtime won't load if the resource ID differs from the manifest. Use different values in the manifest. If you change value, something blah blah blah. Also, runtime section must be entered after the host. And that's a function file. First I want to find just how to do the call to the button. Insert data button. Where the function is button insert data. All lower. Set the ID. Let's compare that to ours. Try to align this to the camera window. Yeah, something like this. Open task pane, that seems to work. This is the other one. Custom tab, it's also custom tab. Control. That's the group, label, icon, there's the control. Type button, and then button do something with capital thingies. That's in here as well. Then button do something label, button do something label. Description. Button resource ID must point to a long string. The execution function name is all lower. Button do something. Is that the function? This happens when the command triggers. Click the ribbon. Support access our execute function or show task pane. Execute function. Execute function. Button do something. Button insert data. Let's see where the button insert data comes in all the other places maybe. But that's all capital. Capitalized. I find it strange that it's not the same caps on the function name. This one has caps on it. This one also has caps. I'm quite surprised that's apparently accepted. So that's the second one, that's just the same thing. How is it possible that it's getting this one while there are no caps? Is it not case sensitive apparently? Guess not. Can't imagine that's that. Oh. I think we need to rerun it. I don't know how that was working, because let's go to the other one. Close this. Why is that not terminating? It is. Terminate this one. Five again. Come on. Oh, that was not what I wanted. Shoot. Shoot. CD Blazor something. CD Excel something. Excel Blazor solution. Then go to data repos. 3. No. This might be confusing, but this is the one from the issue. Lancer Shani. That's this. That's a global thing. We also have the other one. Office add-in, samples, ed, samples. Excel. Shared runtime. Is there also adding commands? Office adding commands. See what's in there. Commands. Tap home. Show task pane. Execute function, that's this. This is write value. Write value, is that in this one? Yeah, but it has capitals on there. But this one. I'm new to Office. Where do I start? Add in, debug, execute function not working. There, check the function file. It's loading property. Oh. Use Fiddler to see if a network call is being issued. Okay. Ensure you are using HTTPS and certificate. No warning. Function file from loading. Check if function file is loading. Verify that the function is defined in the global scope from JavaScript. function defined inside a different scope won't work. Make sure your manifest has the correct resource ID and that the URL for the function file is correct. Let's have a look at this. In here, function file. No. Function file. There. Desktop form factor. Now let's see if this is the right one. No, the other one. Desktop form factor. There's the getting started. The function file is called Contoso desktop function file URL. And that one is this one, index.html. That's not right. That's not right. That should be commands. Oh wait, the index. In this case, it's function files commands.url. Commands.url is pointing to something commands.html. Like this, like so. And in our case, we have been doing this at the level of index.html. Index.html, where is it? There. Oh, that's not enabled here. But it's enabled there. Dot functions file. Oh, that should be commands. Go in here. There's functions. Well, we do have functions there. That's the other one. This is like jQuery, Fabric, thingy like that. Custom functions runtime. Do we need that in here as well? No. So I want to have this one. What? That's empty. Yeah, this is the other one. So I need this one to point to its index. That should not be the double dot, because that's all on the same level. So it should be dot, I think. Is that the reason? Let's run this. 5. Why is that not working anymore? Let's clear the cache there. Let's clear that again. Local update Microsoft Office 16 WEF Shift Del, yes, gone. Now start Excel once. Options, Trust Center, Trust Catalogs, clear, yes, okay, close this. Now let's see if we can run this. I think Excel is running in the background or something. It is not. Please remove the tag if you reuse the sample in your code project. Which one is this? Index.html. Rebuild solution. If it still fails, then I'm going to reboot. Why is it not loading? Let's log off here. Meantime, let's go to the other one. No, not the other one. This one. 2023. Let's log into the other one again. (2022) connect. This is some secrets. While we are looking at the secrets, please take some time to subscribe. Open it. Connect. Copy. Password in. Oh. Darn it. And back to here. Data repos 2023. Yeah, 23. CD Office something. Sample something. Excel, Blazor solution. Let's check the manifest once more. That's the index.html. That's the functions file. And the functions file are in the commands and in functions. So that should be in here. Commands.js and functions, and this one is incorrect because that says capital functions in there. Let's rename that. F5. What is this? Add is no longer available. Oh. No. Why don't we get this? try that by inserting. Oh, then we need to share the folder. I'm not sure why it's not side loading anymore. Did it give some error here? Content root path. Already. There's another office already. Let's close Excel here. Close the browser. Close everything except the studio. Clear all temp files. Local update. Microsoft Office 16 WEF Shift Del. Run Excel. Options. Let's see what's in add-ins. Trust Center catalog, that's already empty. Clear, yes. Clear all previous started web add-ins. Cache, okay. Okay, close this. Excel. Let's try again. Run F5. Must be something with the manifest, I guess. Five. Validate the manifest, maybe. Google. Pay X, I think. Copy. Go in here. See data repos. 2023 Office samples, Blazor, Excel, editing, bin, debug. Uproot framework, maybe. Where did it put the XML? Nowhere. Where did the manifest go? Wait, content root path. Nothing. Where did it go? In here, maybe? There it is. Let's try to load that manually. Still running. It is. Blank. Insert. Paladins. It's not loading. There must be an issue with that. Let me check. Because it's coming from manifests. Sorry, there's nothing at this address. This is pointing to commands.js. That's showing something. So why is that not working? Let's try to validate the manifest there. Copy. Excel. We should run it first, I think. It is still running, is it? Oh, it is running, so this should be correct structure. Manifest file version is okay. The ID. Supported Office. Manifest. Support manifest URL is available. Valid online meeting command service. Icon is presented. Support. All get started strings are present in all get strings except the test completed. Error 1, the manifest source location should not be localhost. Manifest support URL is invalid. This should be okay. URL should be secured. App domain, invalid URLs, app domain 1, 2, and 3. High resolution missing, but that's due to the localhost thingy. That should be okay. Go in here. Let's first start with the Contoso thing. Make that HTTPS. How is this done in the sample? Commands. Let's pick the shared runtime. Where's the app domain thing? This is not what I'm looking for. Where's the hello world? Let's build a new one. Let's see what's in there. Create a new project. So yeah, come on. Office. The other one there. New functionalities. Man, it's 11 o'clock already. I need to wrap it up because I need to get up at 6 again. But I want to try this again once more. Still app domain 1. Because this is what I copied basically. Not sure why the function file is failing. Function file.html. This is completely different. Looks like an outdated one. In this case, it says function file. Basically, when I can do the same thing. Copy. HTML. Functions. Like so. HTML. Commands. see. Now we have to go to the XML here. Let's go to the functions URL. Copy. That's called functions, and this should be functions. And this should be like so. But that should be triggering the button do something, but that's in commands. This is globally loaded, function initialized. So this probably also needs to go into the functions thing. This is commands. Now I should remove this from here. Oh, yeah, is it this one? Yeah. Let's run this. This is still failing for some reason. It's kind of strange that it's not loading this one. This is shared. Oh, but maybe it's a different user running this. Stop this. Let's run it as a normal user. That's wrong. Go to C, data, repos, 2023 samples, Blazor, Excel. Excuse me. Run F5. It's not side loading it. Coding. Nothing there. It's not showing. There must be an issue with the manifest. There's a way to get Is the manifest? No. There should be an option to log the loading when loading it in Excel. If you're manually sideload something, the following folder exists, delete content too. That does not exist. Options, Trust Center. Maybe it needs a backslash. Make it visible. Okay. Let's see if it persisted. It did. New. Insert my add-ins. Shared folder. It's not showing anything. So there must be an issue in the file. Pretty sure about it. is it so much faster now? All closed. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up. I think we need to reboot something, or there's something really not right here. The manifest seems to be okay. .js. Going to have a second look at it so sometime later, because this is not working the way it should be. Let's shut this down and go back in here to wrap it up. Thanks for another live coding session watching, and hope to see you back next week. It's an annoying thing, this debugging is not working the way it should be. It's not that easy. If you haven't already done so, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/softisissoftware, and don't forget to hit the bell to get a notification for the next time, and hope to see you next week. Bye bye.